All right, our poll ends in 2 minutes. Be sure to weigh in. KOAMNewsNow.com/vote. Do you like scary movies? Well, it's got peanut butter, cream cheese, and chocolate. Howard shows us how to make cookie eyeballs, the perfect Halloween treat, in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
With Halloween right around the corner, it seems that everyone is getting into the spirit of things. And whether you're going all out this year decorating your house or you're focused on finding the perfect costume, one thing's for sure, everyone loves ghostly treats. And the ones we're making today, you could say, are eye-popping. All we do is place a package of peanut butter sandwich cookies in a food processor and pulse it a few times until they're crushed. Then we add in some cream cheese and pulse it again until everything is mixed in. Now we roll this into 1-inch balls and we pop them in the freezer to firm up. Then we dunk them one at a time into some white chocolate that we melted in the microwave along with a bit of shortening. Once they're coated, we can turn these into ghostly treats by decorating them to look like an eyeball with stuff you probably have in your pantry. Maybe add a little red decorating gel to make these Halloween creepy. Not only are these fun to eat, they're fun to make. So make sure you have your kids or grandkids help you out. The recipe for what we call cookie eyeballs is online now, along with a collection of some of our best Halloween treats that are party perfect. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen with Kelly, where today we found a spookier way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
I love peanut butter balls.